Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to report to you on a very successful first half year for the Wienerberger Group. We not only generated a sound improvement in earnings driven by strong organic growth during this period, but also set a further important development milestone with the takeover of Tondach Kleinstetten. In addition, at the beginning of July, we repaid the maturing €250 million bond from our cash on the balance sheet. Group revenues rose by 7% to €1.35 billion and operating EBITDA by 27% to roughly €135 million in the first 6 months. Substantially higher demand brought an improvement in earnings for all European segments and above all for the Clay Building Materials Europe division. Moreover, group revenues for the first 6 months were supported by planned cost savings of €11 million. Pipelife, our plastic pipe specialist, recorded higher volumes in all European core markets. However, in the export business for industrial and special pipes, Pipelife was unable to match the record results from last year. Steinzeug-Keramo, our specialist for ceramic wastewater pipes, and Semerock, our concrete paver producer, closed the first half year with the expected improvement in revenues and earnings. At the beginning of July, we increased our investment in Tondach Kleinstetten, the leading supplier of clay roof tiles in Eastern Europe, from 50% to 82%. This transaction represents a strategic milestone for Wienerberger. It will strengthen our core businesses, further expand our presence in Eastern Europe, and create additional growth opportunities for the group. Clay roof tiles have been gaining market shares for many years. They are the preferred roofing material for pitched roofs in new construction and above all in renovation. Studies have shown that our roofing solution can help to reduce energy costs by 50% after renovation. Tondach will complete our offering of application-oriented roofing solutions in Europe. Both the renovation market and the pent-up demand in Eastern Europe offer interesting growth perspectives over the mid and long term. Our targets for the full year remain intact. Market development in Europe is stable to slightly positive, as expected. In the US, the recovery in new residential construction should continue, however, at a slightly slower pace. Tondach, which will be consolidated beginning of July, should contribute around €90 million to group revenues and roughly €15 million to operating group EBITDA. For the Wienerberger Group, including Tondach, I expect operating EBITDA of roughly €350 million and Wienerberger's return to the profit zone in 2014. After the repayment of the 2010 bond and the takeover of Tondach, the net debt operating EBITDA ratio should stay well below 2.5 at the end of the year. This strong capital structure gives us the sufficient financial capacity for further value-creating growth. In the operating business, our focus remains on organic growth through innovative products that create added value for our customers. Our strategy is strongly supported by our customers who increasingly choose to rely on our building material solutions. I am therefore optimistic that we can count on this growth path as success for the future.